Hi, buddy. Hello and welcome once again. So, we want to take a look at some of the best top five AI website builders. That means that you don't need to start building website from scratch. So, for those of us who have been wondering how should they start building their website, then you have a solution based on these particular AI platforms that you're going to mention. As you can see right now, I've already opened one of the platforms that allows you to build a website in 30 seconds with AI, right? But before that, let's take a second or two so that you become part of this particular community. And for those of us who have already joined us, thanks. Now, durable.com is one of the AI website builders that I'll always recommend. So it actually gives you some step-by-step way of how you can create your website. So all you need is just to come here and click on create your website, right? Or generate your website, sorry. Then it will ask you what type of business you're building. Now, this is the best part with the AI builder. It kind of guide you, right? So that you give it the right information, and the information that you gives it, it is the one that is going to use those particular information to generate for you your website. So in my case, I'll stick with YouTube. What type of business, or I can just say I'll stick with online. I'll do online courses, right? So you have to give it, so that is the online courses, right? So I'll just say YouTube online classes, right? And then you click create, give it the appropriate business name, give it time so that it actually generate part of your website. So you can see it's already done very fast, right? Actually it's just slightly above 30 seconds, right? So you can see YouTube online classes. This is very good. So you can see, right? So you don't need to really create your website from scratch. So this is the first AI builder that I recommend, durable, right? Uh, the other one is actually Hokus. Hokus I've already demonstrated in my previous video about the AI website builder. Better still, this one also allows you to generate your website very fast. All you need is just to type your email address there, click get your AI website, and you give it some time. It's going to generate for you your website. Uh, Also, it has some step-by-step way of asking you some questions like what category best suits. I'll just focus on the same course. We just select courses, right? So this is about I can just scroll down for more options because we're talking about YouTube. I'll just use okay, it can be education center. Okay, online courses, that could be ideal. Let's just stick with that. Then click continue. You give it time, it's going to ask you another question. Personalize your website by selecting the services. So you have to personalize it. We're going to use online lectures, video tutorials, online learning resources. You can also have discussion forums. Continue. That is the power of AI website builder. It actually generates for you this particular content automatically. So now tell us what you want with the website. Of course, you need to sell some products, you need to write some blogs, collect some testimonials. Continue. To the next step, tell us where your business is physically. This is an online, so we'll just have online business only. Select that, proceed to the next option. Next, the name of your existing website. You can talk about YouTube. Okay, YouTube master classes. Continue. To select 3 unique aspects of your business. Will generate more customized content for you. Of course, you offer affordable prices. Continue. One step to go and you'll be done. How will you like your website visitors to contact you? We prefer a website contact form. Continue. I think that should be the last final. And then it's going to allow us to select the style. You can see how it's going to look like. So top level courses, right? And then you can say create our website, create my website. So you need to give it a few seconds so that it generates a nice template for you that you can always be able to edit or rather modify, right? So that's the power of the AI website builder, right? So sit back and allow it to create for you the website. So it's done. So allow it to open for you this particular website. So here it is. As you can see, you can scroll down, right? So the good thing is that also this one you can edit. You simply select like if you want to edit this particular text, you select the area. I can say top level YouTube courses, right? You can also change. You can also adjust or change this particular image. Just click on that image icon there. You go to my images, right? You can upload your images. Select an image, right? Can upload your image here. You can edit that particular image, right? So you can do a lot of editing of this particular website. So I just need to upload one image so that you can be able to talking about YouTube classes. You upload your image, so you can be able to edit your website with the relevant content, right? So there you are. Good. Save, and you can see it is going to replace these, right? And so on. So you can replace all these particular content. Once you're done, you need now to view your website. So you'll always click on this, view my website, and you can be able to see your ultimate completed website, right? So the good thing is that you can see the one that you have changed. The good thing is that you can always replace these content. Then you'll have to share your URL up here, web address, right? So that is Hookers. Going forward, we have pineapplebuilder.com. So this is also another free AI builder, right? You can see. I also prefer it. I recommend it. So it's asking you what do you need to create here. So you just need to have online, say YouTube courses. Again, you click on AI generator or AI button there. It's going to generate for you. So again, also it's going to take you through step by step a wizard. So it's asking details about your company, right? Details about, you can skip these. You can actually add these details. For now, I'll skip that, right? You keep select a design. Maybe I can select green, white, right? Then you save. Just click on save, and then you wait for it to generate for you. You can see templates, pages created, website, right? There you go. So you can see okay. It asks you to go through these. Okay, it's not really. So you can go through these tricks. There are 6 of them, right? But I'll just skip so that we have a look at this. So here it is. This is our generated website using Pineapple. Now, the good thing also that is that you can also edit. You can see, you can always click here and select edit. There's this edit section, properties. So it allows you on the right side. So you can change, just select, select a given text that you want to replace, right? And then you can just say best YouTube courses, or best YouTube online courses. You can delete these others, right? I can also replace this. I can get some relevant information here. I place it there, right? I can proceed, scroll down. You can also replace the image the way we did last time, right? This is the image. You can delete it, or you can add another image, right? We have the edit image here, right? So ladies and gentlemen, you can go ahead and just do the same thing, right? Then once you're done, you can always publish. You can publish a live page. If you want to upgrade, you can select add custom domain. For the sake of time, also we have this other AI builder known as TenWeb. You can try it out, tenweb.io. You also just click on generate your website here. Then it's going to take you through the step by step. This is a bit, it will request you to upgrade the plan before you try it, but you don't need to worry, because there's this, it normally has a free plan that you can use. It has a free plan that you can use. Okay, this free plan, let me check where. Okay, so I think this is a downside of TenWeb. It's like I've exhausted my 7 days free, but ideally in your case you can just use the free option, and then you can go ahead and just generate your website. If you want to upgrade, you can always do monthly and annually. So ideally also you have this particular option. That's the downside of TenWeb. It wants you to actually go through this particular step, is when you use the 7 days. The other one that you can better still use is what we refer to as Halia. Halia is another best AI builder that you can use. So here you also just need to click on get started. All right, then it takes you through. So please enter what kind of business. You can say online or online courses. Go next. Just build. I really don't want to go through those particular step by step, but at least you have now understood what is required. So you enter your email there. Then you select I'm not a robot. Finish. So you give it some time to build for you your website, right? Okay, let's view it. It's already done. So you need to register for you to be able to again edit, right? The good thing with this AI builder is that it takes you through the features that it has that allows you to create your website. As you can see, tip 1, tip 2, tip 2, it allows you to change your domain, which you need to pay for, right? Tip 3, you can use the both options to see how your website is going to appear on a mobile platform or a desktop. Tip 4, you can always kind of refresh to see the new look of your website. Tip 5 is when you want to change the background of a particular section. And then tip 6, you can simply edit the elements of your page. And then that is it. So let's begin. You can always, of course, you can scroll, right? Okay, you can see like these courses here. Simply select and select edit text if you don't need that particular text. So want it to be on that side. So what you need to do, you can delete the entire, or you can change the font, right? I want it to have the name YouTube, YouTube courses, right? You can have edit alignment. There are quite a number of things that you can do, right? Scroll down, you adjust all these, change them. You can see our photos, can replace that particular photo, right? Now we can replace that particular photo. Okay, it's okay. You can do quite a number of things, change those particular photos and so on, and you can also add some sections, right, by clicking on this particular plus sign. Also delete using these option. So that's another AI builder. Lastly, I'll introduce you to Mixo. Mixo is also on mixo.io. It's also another AI builder that you can always use to launch your website. Just simply click generate your website, right? Then you give it time, step by step, describe your startup idea. Let's just stick to YouTube, online, courses, generate site, and so on. So it's just going to take us through the normal steps, right? And you're expected to go ahead and change, or rather edit this particular content so that they reflect your own content, right? So as you can see, here you go. So you can see you can also replace these. You can go ahead and change. So just need to click on save and customize, right? So yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's how we can or how we can use these platforms, right? So this one also has the 7-day free trial. You can try it, and then if you like using it, you can go ahead and start creating your website. So all in all, those are the top 5. Actually, there are 6 best AI website builders that I can always recommend. All right, thanks.